If you never try anything, you'll never know. Hey guys, thanks for coming back. My name is Don and this is Adventures This Way. Today I'm out in the garage. I'm just going to do a little overview of my brand new 2021 Can Am Renegade 1000 XMR. And it's the one that has the new Visco forelock. So here she is. I've already sent in some videos. When you actually see it in the yellow color in person, it's nice. And it's not colored plastic, it's painted. The black back here, I can't think of the name of it. Richard told me what it was, but it's nice. It's got a little metallic in it. So I mentioned in the video where I pick it up that I want to kind of put some of my own flair onto it. And the first thing I did was I wanted to change these decals up. So this is the way it comes. You got with the red X, the XMR. So then I went with these here. These are decals from these are 2018 decals. So the red and they got a black in the background. I think it looks pretty good. The other thing I changed was the Mister up here. The XMR was in the Neo Yellow, and this is off of 2020. So this is like that midnight black or silver or whatever it's called. I'm not 100% sure. Now the reason why I did that is I just want to take a little bit of the yellow away, and then, oh look, I got some more gook there I gotta clean off. But then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color of this bumper. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I had some ideas. XM Army, I asked him about his because I thought it looked pretty cool, and he said, oh, it's a stock bumper. Yeah, you're right, when you look at it. So what he did was, he had a buddy, they cut this off, the hoops here, and then I think they took part of it, just trimmed it, and then welded on some, made like a handle here. Yeah, he made like there's like a loop handle here on both sides. You know what? I wouldn't mind maybe doing the same thing. Something, but I want to do it. I don't want to copy someone, but you don't want it to be the same as everybody else. The color, I'm going to go with like a charcoal gray. I mentioned it before already, and I'm definitely going to do that. I think it's going to we're going to go, something like this. It's just to customize it. The hand guards aren't on right now because I'm going to be putting on the heated hand grips. Here's the red. I mean, I don't know. It's hard to say. When I'm sitting on it and I got my red helmet and you got the red lights here, I think that's going to look sweet. So then you have a little bit of red. Now they're multicolored. You can change them up to wherever you want. But my vision is red, It's red. Little bits of red. You don't want too much. Because Skidoo, I think it was 2015, their XRS model, it was a yellow red, and it didn't work out so good. Everyone nicknamed them, they were like a Ronald McDonald sled, and I don't want a Ronald McDonald ATV. No, I don't. The other thing we got is some halos from the back. The reason I got these is because Richard bought them and then never put them on his machine. So he said, hey, do you want them? I'm like, all right. He goes, and the color, they're white. So back here will be white. That'll pop. Check this out. Bam! There's something else. But the heated hand grips here, like, these aren't cheap compared to, say, like the Polaris stock ones. But the Polaris stock ones are pretty basic, and these ones are not. Like, it's a nice integrated switch on the handlebar, but you get a whole new grip, and should be able to plug and play. But I mean, it's a whole new grip. You slide it on, and the wiring goes up in there somewhere. I haven't even looked at the instructions of how to do it. And they're 4 modes too. So this guy here, it just mounts right up here nicely, and it's a nice clean look. So that'll be nice. Yeah. So, and what else? I got a rear skid plate. There's a mix-up with that. I didn't get it. Got the wrong one. Got an Outlander one by accident, so we'll get that switched out. Oh, the other thing is, as far as a rack goes, I'm going with the BRP rack. Well, that's not exactly how it's going to go. But this is the Link luggage rack for the Renegade. And I was debating what I was going to do for a rack, because I need it to carry stuff. I need it for storage. I want to still have the opportunity to add things to it for different situations. Now, when I go regular riding, I'm gonna have another Pelican type box here, and I'm gonna see if I can't get one that'll fit by the link brackets. Or if I can't, then I'll have to drill some holes or mount it with some different fasteners or whatever. That's not a big deal. But the nice thing is, if I take my regular box off for regular riding, I can get a bigger, there's a variety of sizes that fit. I can get, there's other options for, tool holders and things like that for different applications. Because you want to be able to get a little bit of work kind of use out of this machine as well, when the time is right. But I was debating about getting this rack until I actually saw it on one of these exact models. There's a guy named Cash Costas. He just got one. He's out of New Jersey area or so. He's got his all done up already. Assassinators and I think 32s or 34s. Anyways, I don't know. So when I saw it on his, I was like, yeah, 100%, that's the way I want to go. Who else has one? Oh, Joe Robinet has one on his 2020 Renegade as well. So that's where I saw it on his, but I never really got a good look at it. It's the different colors. But I gotta say, with this, whatever the heck this black is, this nice dark black, and the black, when the color of the seat, it kind of blends in. It kind of blends in pretty good, I must say. I think it's gonna work good. It's gonna look good, but it's not gonna look trashy. I don't want it to look like it doesn't belong. Yeah, so I think it's looking pretty good. So I got a few things to get working at here. So thanks for tuning in. There'll be much more riding videos coming up right shortly with this year 2021 Can Am Renegade XMR 1000. So keep on coming back, and I'll see you in the next one.